What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-103028-4. There was an issue signing in, so there's a network error. Your PSN account is not going to sign in. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we go to the settings, and you must check your settings. Sorry. Here is switch the account and the user, and you just sign in manually. You must check your PSN account is properly, everything is correct or not, and then go to the settings. Go to the user and account, if PSN account is logged in or not, and then go to the login settings. Your console is logged in or not, and then go to the network. There's a view PlayStation Network services. Sometimes the server is down undergoing maintenance. That's why you get this error, and your PSN account is signed out already. So here is working up and good. So you have a local internet problem. So you must contact the local internet provider or make a new network. I've checked the advanced settings. Go to the DNS settings. Manually, you can set it which one is working good in your country. You just change it. Primary DNS and a secondary DNS MTU setting 1500 and the advanced settings. And you can use the LAN, wired LAN cable. It's a good for you, and you will get the better speed on it. So it's just connected directly from router to PlayStation 4. It's kind of LAN, a wired LAN cable. So simply that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.